Hello, my name is Bailey, and today I am hungry. So I thought I would make some food. Here it is. The first item, a potato. This is a normal potato. Do not confuse it with a sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are orange. A jar of sliced beets. These are pickled beets. When something is pickled, that means it is soaked in vinegar. Pickled dill spears. Dill spears are cucumbers that are soaked in vinegar, water, and other spices. This makes a delicious food item. Lastly, bread. I love bread. Bread is delicious and it tastes oh so good. Today, we will make potatoes. A few things that you will need. A pot. This is a pot. This also is a pot, although this one has a handle. This is a pot. But don't confuse it with a pan. This is a frying pan, not a pot. This is a pan. You will also need a peeler, a potato peeler. This also is used for apples, carrots, lots of different things. Today, potatoes. Now I'm going to grab the peeler. Another way to say this is I am picking up the peeler, or I am grabbing the peeler. These both mean the same thing. Now I will grab the potato. Now that I've picked up the potato and the peeler, I am now going to peel the potato. I am now peeling the potato. I am removing all of the skin. When a potato has its skin, we call it an unpeeled potato. Now that the potatoes are peeled, they need to be washed. So now I will wash them in the sink. This is a sink. I am going to turn on the water and rinse the potatoes in the water. Good. Now I will turn off the water to the faucet. This is a faucet. I am now going to clean the top of the stove with a wet paper towel. I am cleaning the stove. I am cleaning the stove with a paper towel. Or I am cleaning the stove with a wet paper towel. I now have my medium-sized pot on the stove. Next, I will cut the potato in half with a knife. In order to cut your potato, you will need a knife and a cutting board. Take your potato or pick up your potato, place the potato on the cutting board, and cut the potato in half. Now, I will place the potatoes into the pot. I am now going to fill up the pot with water until most of the potatoes. I am now filling up the pot with water until the potatoes are submerged. Submerged means when the potato is under the water. When something is underwater, we say also that it is submerged in water. Hence, a submarine, submerged in the water. I will now put in a little bit of salt. Not a lot of salt, but a little bit of salt. A little bit is a small amount. Now I will turn on the heat to the stove. Now I'm going to cover the potatoes. Now it is time to wait for the potatoes to be done. The water is boiling. When it begins to bubble, we say that the water is boiling. I poured out the water into the sink from the pot. Now I just have the potatoes in the pot. I will take out the potatoes with a fork. This is a fork. I will pick them up and move them with the fork. I'll now take the pickles and open the jar. You open the jar by twisting the lid. This is the lid. This is the jar. Lid, jar. I am now twisting. And now the jar of pickles is open. I will grab a pickle with a fork and place it on the plate. Now I have potatoes and a pickle on the plate. This is a plate. This is a fork. I will now open the jar of beets by twisting the lid off. And I will scoop out, so scoop out the beets from the jar onto the plate. So now I am scooping out the beets from the jar onto the plate. I'm not picking them up. If I picked them up, I would be stabbing them, but I am scooping them out. You could also say picking up, but to be more exact, I'm scooping out. Now that it is done, it is time to eat. Eat. Hom nom nom. Thank you all for watching this first episode of Slow English. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe down below, give it a like, and share it with any of your friends that are also learning English. Thank you.